Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, September 10, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, September 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 10, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, September 10, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for September 10, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, September 10, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.